Come test drive the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance